In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and play chess for free on PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is open up Microsoft Edge. If you don't have Microsoft Edge on your PC or laptop, you need to go ahead and download and install it from Google Chrome or whatever web browser you're currently using. So just type in Google, download Microsoft Edge, and then go through that process of downloading and installing it. Once you've done that, open up Microsoft Edge. Then from here, we need to go to the official website for chess, which is chess.com. And now once we're here, we need to make sure to log in on sign up. I've already am signed in. So there on the side here, you got a log up or sign up button or sign in button. Click onto that and then go through the process of signing in or signing up. Now to download this chess.com as an app, we need to click on the three dots in the top right hand corner and then look for apps. Click into apps and then it will say install chess. Click on that button. Then it'll say install chess, play and learn. Click install. And then from here it will say app installed, so we can pin to taskbar, pin to start, or create a desktop shortcut. I only want a desktop shortcut because I don't want to clutter my start or taskbar. So I'm going to click allow like that. Now I'm going to close all this and this should be on my desktop. So if I double click chess, play and learn, there we go. Now because I'm signed in, then I can sign up, log back in, and then play online, play against bots, solve puzzles, etc. and enjoy the full experience of chess.com on your PC or laptop.